Hi, I'm Longster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing this replacement carbon canister assembly in my 2003 Toyota Matrix. Let's get started. Here's our replacement carbon canister. This is part number CP3495. And our motor, I got this from Rock Auto. I've been told this isn't that big of a job, so let's see. We got the car jacked up, matrix is jacked up on the rear axle, and let's look up underneath there and see what size they are. We got a bolt here, a bolt here. I think there's 3. Yeah, one there. So 3 bolts. It looks like a couple connectors. And it looks like that might be the hardest part to get off. I don't know what you're going to be able to see here, but I'm going to use my pliers here to remove these 2 clamps. This one can stay on. Let me see if I can pull those 2 off. There's 1. There's 2. And again, I don't know what is holding these 2 on. Plus this one here may just be a plug. I'm gonna have to mess around with that. You can see here there's 2 tabs, one on each side, that hold this onto that piece. And what I had to do was stick a screwdriver in there and move them out of the way so I could slide it out. This upper one looks like it's going to be about the same way. I think if I squeeze those 2 tabs in, I should be able to just pop it off, but let's see. Maybe I can get a pick underneath it? I don't know. I guess what I'll do is I'll take these 3 bolts off, lower this down, and see if I can gain access to that better with it out. These look like they are a 10mm. Let's see. I got this one out. These are 12mm. So we have one up in here. Third one out, I should be able to lower this down, maybe enough that I can see what's going on with that last connector. Of course, it's turned the wrong way. I'm gonna have to get a light on it and see if I can get that off. Okay, I had to get a screwdriver back in behind here and pry out on those tabs. I'm sure there's probably a special tool that goes in there, but now that I got those tabs pushed out of the way, twisted it, pried on it, and that finally came off. So now I'm going to put the new box back up on, and then we'll start connecting everything back up. Okay, that bolt is tightened along with that one back there, and the one that's up in between here somewhere. There it is. Now, let's see if I can get these hoses back on. I'll go in there, and then it looks like this one goes on there. Put that clamp on. This one should go on here. Put that clamp on. And then we have this one. This was a pain, which I think they go this way, so I don't want to get them wrong. on there? I think it's probably dirt. I'm gonna have to lube it up. Anyways, let's put this other connector on. I'm gonna grab a little bit of PB, spray it back in there, and see if I can slide that on. Well, I sprayed some PB in there, and I was able to get that back on, get that connector back up on there, right there. And everything seems to be good now. So all I gotta do is lower her down and go and fill her back up with gas and see if I have the same problem I had before, which was I could only put a little bit of gas in at a time and then it would click off. So anyways, replacement carbon canisters in, and that should do it.
Well, that'll do it for replacing the carbon canister on my 2003 Toyota Matrix. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. And by the way, that did fix the problem where I was only able to put a little bit of gas in at a time. I took it to the gas station, cranked the lever full open, and didn't click off once until I reached full. So just wanted to let you know that yes, that did correct my problem. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.